everyone. So I know you see Suen on the screen showing you the hair that I will be using to do her braids today. So that's me coming in the back. Welcome back, and this is my friend Suen, as mentioned before. Isn't she cute? Yes, she is. So we're getting into the braiding today, and I know I lost the first footage, but this is me making up for that. So basically I part the hair and I add the edge control to that strand, and then I part out the section that I'm going to be braiding. So I make sure to put away the other hair with the comb, Jamaican style, and I use a bit of edge control along her edges, and I'm going to brush it in with a toothbrush. So swoop, swoop, swoop. Now I'm going to be going ahead and using, okay, so I'm still swooping, guys. I'm going to be using the braid now to show you how I braid her hair. So basically I'm going to get a piece of hair that I already sectioned, or Suen is gonna section for me. Oh, I already sectioned. And I'm going to put it over her hair. That's how I do it, and then braid down. So I'm braiding. So in the meantime, while I'm braiding, do you guys like these content? Because I want to know what I could do with the voiceovers and what I could do better, I guess. So let me know. So now I'm just braiding downwards. I'm doing the same thing that I was doing a couple seconds ago, but make sure not to make it knot at the end or in the middle or at the top. It does not look good. So make sure to keep it knotless, even though it's a box braids. So make sure you cut out to the end, as in draw your hands through the hair like you see I'm doing. Whenever you reach to her hair and the braid, you want to use a little bit of edge control on her hair so that it can blend into the braid without them seeing where the braid and the hair met. Her hair and the braid met. So yeah, I'm cutting down. I think losing the footage just let me not talk long, because I still show you how I braid the hair. Come on now, give me some props. I still showed you how I braid the hair. So I continue doing this. So this is why I'm speeding it up. I part, I go ahead with the braid, use a little bit of edge control. I go ahead with the braid, braid. And yeah, so now we're finished with the whole head. This was a big head, oh my god. Don't come for me, Suen. Anyway, I'm outside and we're trimming up the hair. You don't want to do this in a closed space because this gets messy. So we're trimming all the loose braid that or the flyaways, so that we can go ahead and hot water the hair. At this point, a backstory, we were doing an assignment, I think. So yeah. Now we're getting to the hot water. So basically I just get some hot water in a basin and I have her put her hair into it. So now I use a towel and I dry it, basically like in a downward movement, so that all the braids go downward. And then I'm going to wet the towel itself and I'm going to do the top, because I can't ask her to put her whole head in the basin, can I? No. So I'm just gonna do the top. This is to make sure that everything stays down and is neat. And what else? I don't know what else it's for. So if you want to curl the ends, you would use the rods and you would put it with the you would put it in the water, so that would give you a curly finish. Anyway, I used a bit of oil on it just to get it sleek, get it shiny. And yes, this is the final look. Don't we love it? Yes, cute. Or whatever. Flash that hair, girl. That's you. Okay, top model. Anyway, like, share, comment, guys. And thank you, Suen, for being a part of the video. Bye.